What if we take this to the limit? What will it look like? Because there will always be things that can be measured, and we can instrument, and we can track, and we can predict, and we can anticipate costs and failures and other delayed outcomes. That's true. But do we really want to instrument everything? Instrumenting is costly to put all those sensors in and to put actuators in. What is it going to look like in the limit? Because in the limit, it's still true that manufacturing processes are mostly feed forward. They just flow. We control the conditions and then we go forward deterministically. Manufacturers love that. In the limit, there's still going to be a person, because the person is this wonderful package of mobile sensors and actuators. What will the experimentation be? The experimentation will be like, oh, put a sandbag on that machine and change the vibration. Okay? Do we want to make a robot to go there and put a sandbag or not? No, we want the person to wake up and talk to his factory. Say, okay, my factory, I'm doing the rounds, and the factory says, well, why don't you take a look at, machine number 4 and just see if you see anything, and while you're there, just kind of nudge it in this way, and I'll watch and see if anything happens according to my measures, and he'll be talking to it, and we'll be doing these things. Or maybe it'll say, okay, today I'd like to do an experiment. Let's try running that at 10 degrees higher. I don't have to instrument it so that it can automatically change the temperature. Maybe I do, but there'll be cases where it's just easier to have the person walk over there and turn it. And then the machine watches. The machine is really good at chasing all the detail and looking for causal links. It's not very good at reaching out and changing something. It's not very good at looking in detail in a new place, whereas the person can just turn around and look at it, or you can walk in and take a camera and put a camera in there just for today. To put that camera in, you need a person.